Hello everyone, Michael from Owner's Pride Auto Spa here. Just wanted to show you guys a quick video. If you are at home, you're trying to clean your mats, let's say you have pet hair, sand, or just little particles of dirt, lint that aren't coming out. A simple and easy way to help clean these without a lot of tools and utensils is to use a glass cleaner. Ironically enough, here at Owner's Pride in Orlando, we sell our glass cleaner, but any glass cleaner will do. And you're gonna want to lightly spray your carpet. If you have drill brush attachments, you can go through and drill and it'll help take it all out. But if you don't have this, any standard carpet brush, get from the dollar store, Walmart, and all you'll do is you'll just, I'm doing with one hand here, but you would want to use this and systematically just go through. You can see the sand here is coming right out, and just brush your carpet out till you get all the dirt out. Why does this work? Most glass cleaners have anti-static properties, so when you're cleaning the glass in your car, it helps catch all the lint, keeps any lint from your towels getting on the glass, especially on the inside of the cars, and that anti-static works on the carpets. So just wanted to share that little tidbit with you guys. Have a great day.